Bishop Paul S. Morton on Atlanta's inspiration station, the one and only Praise 1025, 1029. Do you believe that? The best, people, is yet to come. Vita Howard here. Thanks for holding it down with me this Saturday afternoon. Now, you guys know I'm on this natural journey. I'm taking baby steps. I started out the gate and I figured I might as well cooperate with my stylist. I said I'm gonna go ahead and obey. He mentioned, Vita, you might want to go ahead and invest in a steamer. I said, a steamer? I already got an iron. What you talking about? Vita, you need this. Okay. So I've purchased a steamer. I bought it on Amazon. I'm waiting for it to arrive. I'm kind of excited about this, actually. Now, this thing steams your hair. I said it also can be used for the face. And in the room. Now, hopefully it steams the wrinkles out your clothes. I don't know what it does. Shoot, if I'm paying for it, it might as well do all that. You know what I'm saying? You have not because you ask not, people. That's all. Okay, so I'll let you know what happens when the steamer arrives. I'll keep y'all all in my business. Hello, people. You're back with me again. Check it out. The steamer has arrived. It has arrived, and I said I'm going to wait until my friends are with me. I'm going to open my steamer. It's my new steamer. You see, look. It says for hair and face. Okay, I have hair and a face. Check that out. This is for me. Okay, and we have instructions. It comes with instructions because you should always read your instructions. I don't want to read them now. Okay, so this is, I'm so excited. Can you tell? Okay, hold on here. We're going to see what this steamer is all about in the box. Ooh, bless the Lord. Oh my soul. It's very secure. In here we have a helmet. It comes with a helmet and a chin strap, I believe, a defibrillator. I'm going to read the instructions. Now, since we are in the office, I didn't think it would be appropriate to steam here. Not today. Maybe on weekends. Not today. And so, I'm going to do this at home, and you'll come home with me, okay? I'm steaming for Jesus. Vita Howard, Natural Hair Journey. Check me out. Hey, family. Me again. Yes. You thought I was playing. I brought you home. What am I doing? Oh, I'm steaming. Oh, I'm straight steaming. Yes, I am. You see all this steam coming? Oh, yes. This is a first for me. So far, so good. I'm trying to be patient. Yes, indeed. Natural Hair Journey. It was easy to put together. Put it together all by myself. Now I will sit patiently after washing my hair, putting in conditioner, and now I am steaming. How long I'll sit under this, I don't know how long I'll sit under this, but I'm going to be patient. Yes. I'll be back when I'm done steaming. Thank you. Voila! Here's the end result. All right? End result. Came out from under that steamer, people. Washed out the conditioner. Blew dry my hair, flat ironed it. I'm happy. I get it. Now they say you should steam every other week or so. I'm going to make sure it's a part of my regimen. I like the steamer. I like it. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Now I got makeup on and all this because I'm about to go sing at a Christmas concert. You know what I'm saying? Joy to the world, my hair's been steamed. Yeah. So you keep rolling with me. I don't know, next time I might be in my stylist seat again, checking in with Virgil. I may twist my hair so I can keep the heat off of it. We'll see what it is. That's why it's a journey. Thank you for following me. I appreciate you. I'm Vita Howard. See you next time.